Hello children, I'm back again. Welcome, middle class children. This is Cornerstone Junior Mkono. I'm teacher Lydia. You have ever seen me. Today we are going to look at social development. And our lesson for today is about talking about my friend. Children, do you have friends? Do you know who a friend is? Let me tell you who a friend is. A friend is a person you play and relate with freely. That is your friend. You play, you laugh, you eat, you do everything with that person. That person is your friend. Yeah. I think everybody has friends. Me, teacher Lydia, I have a friend. And I'm going to show you my friend. I love that friend so much. That friend of mine is called Ida. Ida, come and I show these children who my friend is. Children, have you seen my friend? I love her so much. We share it together. We play together. Everything we do together. Ida, you can go back and see. Thank you, Ida. That's my friend. Yes, Valeria, who is your friend? Calvin, wow. Calvin is your friend. Calvin, is Valeria your friend? Yeah, thank you so much. So, when we have friends, we should love them, we should share our eats together, and we should not beat them. Children, when we are playing with our friends, we are not supposed to beat them, slap them, kick them, or pick their eats when they have not given us permission to pick their eats. We are supposed to share our eats together. How do we play with our friends? We can play with our friends when we are singing together. We hold our hands and we sing a song. Baby Jesus, when we are holding our hands. Are you seeing these children? They are friends, they are three friends. And they are singing a song, they are happy because they are friends. They are friends. They are enjoying. Again, how do we play with our friends? Who can tell me? Okay. Someone has said we play with our friends using a what? A ball. Using a what? A ball. You can throw the ball. I throw the ball to Ida. Ida catches the ball. Ida throws the ball to me. The ball back to me. I catch the ball. This is a ball. So we play with a ball with our friends and we enjoy that day. Again, we can play with our friends by that thing you enjoy so much at school when you are playing with your friends. Who can tell me? Yes, Elijah, tell me something. Okay, playing on the swings. Wow, wonderful. I wish I clap for that boy. We can play on the swings with our friends. You push that friend of yours slowly. Make sure your friend doesn't fall down. We can play with our friends using toy cars. These are what we call toy cars. We call them toy cars. You sit here, you start driving the toy car. When you are very happy and your friend is here pushing you, you are very happy. You are very happy. So our toy car is like this. We play with toy cars. We play with toy cars with our friends. What else do we play with when we are with our friends? Someone is saying a doll. Wow, we have dolls. You carry the doll, you play, you laugh, you enjoy, you run around with your dolls, with your friend. So we have our word, dolls. Dolls. There can be many dolls. There are those which have hair. You play with the hair and you enjoy yourselves. Children are together. Okay. We have another thing which we use. How do we call this? Wow, all of you know them because you play with them at home. We call them building blocks. Building blocks. So we can use that simple word and we say blocks. Yes, you build on top of them. Like this. You build, you get another, you get another, you build with your friend when you are laughing, enjoying. Are we together? Now, children, what you are going to do for me today, you are going to to draw yourself playing with your friend. Me, I have shown you how to play with my friends. So, give me this. You are going to draw for me here yourself when you are playing with your friend. If you are Elijah, draw yourself Elijah when you are playing with your friend. For me, I am Lydia. I am a girl, and I put on a skirt. So we are skipping a rope. We are skipping a what? A rope with my friend Ida. Have you seen? Children are going to draw yourself playing with your friend. Wow. I love you, children. I love you, children. Okay. Another thing you are going to read for me these words. And you copy. You read and copy. You read and copy. In your book. In your book. You have seen the word. You said, which word is this? Wow, blocks. Then you come here on my line and you copy that word because we want you to learn the word for the blocks. I love you, children. Clap for me. You are so wonderful.